Want this? Let's start editing. Here are the clip's durations. Add animation fade out on the last clip. And animation fade in on the first clip. On the middle part of the second clip, tap the opacity icon and add keyframe, and at the end, adjust to 60. Do this on every clip. Except on the last clip. Starting on the first clip, add effect zoom lens under lens. Align the effect on the first clip. Adjust the settings, speed 0 and range 20. Duplicate the effect and place the copied effect on the next clip. Ensure to align the effect at the beginning and at the end of each clip. Add the second effect, shake under Nightclub. Place at the beginning of the clip, like this. Add the third effect, rebound swing under Nightclub. Adjust the speed and size to 0 and intensity 20. Adjust the last effect into a smaller size, like this. Now just copy the last two effects and place it on every clip. Add white photo as overlay on the second clip and splice overlay to 70. And add animation fade out to the whole overlay clip. Apply these on every clip. When done, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.